brides! Here's another episode of our Budgetarian Bride series, and in this video, I'm just gonna share with you the wedding shoes that my husband-to-be bought. So, ito, he got this from Gallardo. Hindi ko alam yung tamang pronunciation, but the brand is Gallardo. We got this sa Robinson's department store. So, we tried looking sa SM Mall din, sa SM City Lipa. However, unfortunately, si husband-to-be kasi, maliit yung paa niya. So, most ng sizes na naka-display sa, most ng samples or shoes na naka-display sa department store ng SM City Lipa ay smallest sizes na. So, yun nga, dahil maliit ang paa ni groom, nahirapan kaming maghanap. Kasi nga, ang malaki lang naman kasi sa kanya ay yung puso niya. So, we got these shoes from Gallardo, from Robinson's department store. So, ito yung itsura niya. Although, hindi niya to bet na bet. Kaso nga, ito lang yung pinakamaliit yung size na available. Size 5 to sa lalaki. So, ayan. Although, yun, mukha naman na siyang formal. And, as much as we wanted to use din na yung available lang. Kaso, hindi naman nagaganito si groom. Kasi hindi mo siya pumapasok sa office kasi freelancer siya. So, ayun. Size 5 lang yung nakuha ni groom. And ito, color black. Kasi ayun niya din ng brown. Yung pants niya kasi sa wedding ay black din. So, gusto niya black all throughout. Ayun lang, share lang namin. Nakuha namin to ng 899, 900 pesos. So, very budgetarian. Kasi, my budget is also 1,500 for him. And we only got this for 900. Gallardo, baka naman. Ayun lang, thank you for watching.